Operations technicians, or operators, manage key process variables like temperature, pressure, and flow to ensure safe, efficient production. Rotate between field work, handling equipment outdoors, and DCS operations indoors, where we monitor the process using computer systems. This mix of indoor and outdoor work is one of the best parts of my job.
Well, I got 1 gallon going in. I got the valve 105.
We work 12-hour shifts rotating days and nights because our process units run 24/7.
You know, I really enjoy being outside a lot. You know, days that I'm tired of being outside, I can turn around and be inside. It's a healthy balance.
I arrive at my unit and have a shift turnover meeting with the previous operator.
Put a flush on 1734 pump.
First, cover any safety concerns in and around the unit. We will then review the operator logbook where any changes or activities from the previous shift are recorded. Our relief typically takes 10 to 15 minutes.
Ready to put the heads back on today.
Once this is completed, the shift leader will hold a meeting with the oncoming operators where we can discuss all the relevant information from each section of the unit. After the morning meeting, I start by collecting samples for lab testing to confirm equipment is running safely and efficiently. Then I make rounds, walking through my section to check equipment. I use an iPad to record details like oil levels, pressure, leaks, or unusual noises. For example, if a pump is using oil too quickly, I log it so the team can investigate. All the data from my iPad is uploaded and automatically shared with engineers, maintenance, and supervisors, helping them plan repairs before problems happen. Rounds take about an hour and a half, and I'll check equipment again a few times during my shift. If anything unusual happens, I make a note in the logbook so the next operator knows what to expect. At the end of the shift, I pass along everything important so the next operator is ready to go.
The EPIC program allowed me to get valuable work experience while earning my degree in process technology, and everything we learned out there we have out here.
Preparing equipment for maintenance is a team effort. We use lockout tagout, or LOTO, to make sure machines are safe before anyone works on them. Some LOTO processes are large and take hours, but accuracy and safety are always more important than speed. And when the work is finished, it's just as critical to remove the LOTO carefully and bring the equipment back online the right way.
We're always available to do whatever's need to be done to keep the process going and stay safe every day. We be our brother's keepers, make sure we go home the same way we came in.
During the day, new tasks often come up.
Our feed's coming out of the filter. We'll take drum speed up.
We stay connected using personal radios. Each shift has DCS board operators, and one of them monitors your area. They'll call you if they need help, for example, to check vessel levels, flush a pump, or swap pumps to keep everything running smoothly.
Yeah, it looks like 601 level's holding good.
The fact that it's not the same thing every day, you're always kind of fighting new battles and troubleshooting different things.
When covering a DCS board section, I start by making relief with the previous operator. We review any process issues, unit changes, and alarms, especially any critical ones. After that, I scroll through DCS graphics to check for changes. This takes about an hour.
I enjoy the troubleshooting aspect of it and trying to fix things that to make it better so that we can make a good product to contribute to society.
Each operator has a routine, but we all make sure processes are within the right limits.
When you get around it, that LC 601, you can take it.
Throughout the shift, I handle alarms, communicate with the field operators, and make sure everything runs efficiently. At the end, I hand off to the next operator, giving them the details they need for their shift.
There, and I got the job shadows from operators. And I thought that it was just the coolest thing ever, you know, being able to see these guys run the DCS and work outside with their hands, and you know, the way that they communicated with each other and the way they worked together.
Ability to provide for my family in ways I never could have imagined without a 4-year university degree. So I'm very blessed to be here and to have gone through the program.